Gloria. Today, I want to share with you a very delicious and spicy salsa macha chili oil that I know you guys are going to love. The holidays are here and let's enjoy this amazing and smoky chili oil made at home with lots of love. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. This spicy and delicious chili oil, as I call it, salsa macha, these are my ingredients. I have chicken bouillon, sesame seeds, vegetable oil, of course, the chile de árbol, very spicy, the chile guajillo, that sometimes comes out spicy, chile pasilla, and 2 heads of garlic. This is everything we need to prepare this amazing and delicious and spicy chili oil, as I call it, salsa macha, made at home with lots of love. So let's get started. I want to start getting my chilies ready. Let me remove the 2 heads of garlic that we're going to use later. And here I have my pasilla chili pots. I'm not going to remove anything from them. I'm going to put them in this plate. And I have the guajillo chili pod that I'm going to remove the stems. Just like this. It really doesn't take too long to make and enjoy a spicy chili oil. Yes, very traditional. As I call it, salsa macha. I really love having this chili oil year round in my refrigerator. It really lasts a long time because everything is infused with the garlic and the oil. And of course, when I say spicy, it's spicy because I'm adding chile de árbol, 1 whole cup of chile de árbol. I'm going to add it in here, and then we're ready to go and get them nice and fried, nice and crispy, and waking up all those amazing of aroma of the chilies. Look at this. I have the spicy chile de árbol and the rest of the chilies. And now I am ready. I have 2 cups of vegetable oil that I'm going to start getting nice and hot. How do you know when to add your chilies? When you add tortillas and they float to the top, then that means that the oil is nice and hot for you to start adding your chilies. I am going to remove the tortilla and I am going to start waking up all those amazing flavors. I'm going to start with the pasilla chili pots. They're going to get really fluffy. They're going to change color. And then I'm ready to remove. Be very careful. You don't want to burn your chilies. You really want to just get them nice and crispy and wake them up. The same thing with the chile guajillo. You'll notice that they change color once they start getting nice and golden brown. Look at this. You put them in nice and dark and then they start getting really nice and red. That's when you know that the chilies are nice and cooked. They're nice and golden brown. You could even smell the aroma of the chilies when they're getting nice and crispy. So don't overcook them. Look at this. I'm adding all the chile de árbol. And once you start smelling the aroma of the chile de árbol, you're ready to remove. And now when you remove them, you're ready to add your garlic cloves. I'm adding 2 heads of garlic. I turn off the stove. I'm just going to incorporate really good. And now I am ready to turn the stove on in very low heat. I want the garlic to infuse the oil with the amazing flavor. We're going to cook the garlic in very low heat for about 15 minutes. When I say very low heat, you want to leave it in low heat. And once you see all the bubbles on the top and the garlic releasing the amazing flavor, then you're going to turn it off and just leave it there. Leave it there until it comes to room temperature. The oil is really going to be so penetrated with the garlic that your chili oil is going to be amazing. In my blender cup, I'm adding all the chilies nice and crispy. And of course, I'm going to add all the oil, and I'm going to add all the garlic. Look at this. I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of the chicken bouillon, and then I'm ready to blend. Blend it for a couple minutes until it's nice and smooth. And the aroma of this chili oil is going to invade all your house. Your home is going to smell amazing. If you love spicy chili oil like I do, you're going to love this recipe. Look at this. And once you put it in the refrigerator, it's going to last for months. Look how thick. Look how amazing this looks. Of course, the flavor is going to be amazing. Smoky, garlicky, and of course nutty, because I'm adding the sesame oil seeds right on the top. I'll see you in a bit. My friends, I am completely done with this spicy chili oil. This is what I really love and enjoy, tasting my recipes. So that chili oil doesn't go bad, you need to, of course, not put the tostada inside, but yet with the spoon, spread it on the chip. This is the way I'm going to enjoy it today. But of course, you could enjoy it in any amazing dish. Excuse me. Spicy, smoky, amazing. Let me tell you, when all the chilies are deep fried like I fried them, it gives this chili oil such a smoky and delicious flavor. Oh my gosh, this is just amazing. Of course, if you don't like spicy chili oil, on my channel you have an amazing chili oil that is not spicy at all, but it tastes so smoky and delicious. Excuse me. So delicious. This is spicy chili oil, came out amazing. I hope, my friends, you make it for the holidays. If you love spicy food, well, this is the perfect chili oil for your family. If you liked and love this amazing recipe, like, subscribe, and share. And don't forget to push that notification bell, so every time I make an amazing recipe, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. Like, subscribe, and share. And I will stay enjoying this amazing spicy chili oil. See you soon. Bye-bye.